In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a devotional on the Bible app. We will build a simple personal devotional using the Notes feature so you can return to it anytime. Open the Bible app. Once it loads, you should see the main screen with options like Home, Read or Bible, and maybe a verse of the day at the top. If you are asked to sign in, use your usual account so your devotional stays saved across your devices. This takes you to the main reading screen where you see chapter and verse text in the middle. At the top you should see the book and chapter name, and at the bottom you may see navigation tabs for different sections of the app. Choose a Bible verse. You can scroll up or down through the chapter to find a verse that stands out to you. If you need a different chapter, use the book and chapter picker at the top of the screen to switch. Take a moment to read through until one specific verse or a small group of verses really fits what you want your devotional to be about today. Press and hold the verse. When you hold your finger on the verse number or on the verse text, a small menu appears. The verse usually becomes highlighted, and you may see options like highlight, note, compare, or share. If you accidentally select the wrong verse, just tap away, then press and hold again on the correct one. Tap Note. A new screen or panel opens where you can type. At the top you should see the reference for the verse you picked, which confirms that your note is tied to that specific passage. In many versions of the app, you can also set the privacy of the note here, so you can decide whether your devotional is private or visible to friends. Write your devotional reflection. Start with scripture by mentioning what verse speaks to you. You can type the verse in your own words or paste it using the app if that is more natural for you. Then move to reflection, where you describe what you sense God teaching you through these words. Keep your sentences honest and specific. For example, what this reveals about God or about your own heart. For application, write 1 or 2 practical ways you can live this out today, such as a choice, a conversation, or a habit you want to change. Finally, for prayer, talk to God about everything you just wrote using simple language as if you are writing a short letter. A helpful detail here is that you can come back later and edit this same note so your devotional can grow over time as you learn more. Tap Save or Publish. The note closes and you return to the Bible text, where your verse now shows a small note icon next to it. When you tap that icon in the future, your devotional opens again with your scripture, reflection, application, and prayer all in one place. You have just created a personal devotional in the Bible app using Notes, built around a verse, your reflection, your application, and your prayer. If this walkthrough helped you set up your own devotional, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Bible app tutorials.